So let us take these very simple examples. So you're asked to find the distance between the lines 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0, 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. So as you can see, these two are parallel lines. Cos 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y. This part remains same. So the distance is nothing but, the distance between the parallel lines is nothing but modulus of the difference between the constant terms. 5 minus of minus 7. 5 minus of minus 7 divided by root of 2 square plus 3 square. That is equal to 5 minus of minus 7 is plus 7. So 5 plus 7 is 12 by root of 4 plus 9 is 13. So the distance between these two parallel lines is 12 by root 13. Next, you're asked to find the perpendicular distance between these two parallel lines. 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. 6x minus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0. These two lines are also parallel. As you can see, the slope of the first line is minus 3 by minus 4. That is equal to 3 by 4, which is the first slope. What is the second slope? Minus 6 by minus 8, which is 6 by 8, which is also same as 3 by 4. The first line is having the same slope as the second line. That means these two lines are also parallel. But I cannot directly use the formula c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square, because the values of a and b are different in these two lines. So first what you need to do is, you need to equate these two numbers, then apply the formula. For that, what I can do is, I can multiply the first equation with a 2. So the first equation becomes 6x minus 4y plus 20 is equal to 0. Sorry, 6x minus 8y plus 20 is equal to 0. The second equation is 6x minus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0. Now these parts have become same. Now you can apply the formula. D is equal to modulus of difference between the constants by root of 6 square plus 8 square. That is equal to 5 by 10. That is equal to half. That is, the distance between these two lines is half unit. Thank you.